Hi children, this is Venkateswarlu, English resource person from Central Office. Welcome to this Zoom assignment key session. This is for 8th class assignment key. Right? Let us see. First one. First Roman. Fill in the blanks with the most appropriate words given. Fill in the blanks with the most appropriate words given. Means here certain words are given. Some words are given. 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 words are given. Here 5 sentences are given with blanks. So we have to select suitable word and we have to fill in the blanks. Now let us see first one. All my attempts to make him happy proved. From these 8 words we have to select one suitable word. All my attempts to make him happy. Say irritation, no, not suitable. Hurdled, not suitable. Awkwardly, not suitable. Futile. So futile means useless. So the suitable answer for this one is futile. Futile means useless. All my attempts to make him happy proved useless. Futile. Second one. It was very cold, so I dashed in a corner. It was very cold, so I dashed in a corner. Now let us see from given ones. Irritation, hurdled, awkwardly, futile, vacation, reluctantly, exasperatedly, mumbling. So for this given one, it was very cold. When we feel cold, so we can get shivering, and to control that shivering like this, we huddled. Huddle means so dragging hands and legs very close to the body, so that is huddled. So it was very cold, so I huddled in a corner. Third one. Forced by her parents, Sita dash took the diploma course. Forced by her parents, Sita dash took the diploma course. So means she is not interested at all. Parents forced her. So here the suitable answer for this one is same. Reluctantly. Reluctantly means unwillingly. Sita reluctantly took the diploma course. Now let us see fourth one. The news that he was denied promotion. Denied means he was rejected. His promotion was rejected. The news that he was denied promotion caused dash to him. Caused dash to him. So from given words, irritation is the correct answer. Caused irritation to him. Then fifth one. What are you dash? I can't hear you. When a person mumbles, he speaks in a low voice that can't be heard by other people. So here, what are you mumbling? What are you mumbling? Or what are you mumbling at? I can't hear you. Say first one, futile. Second one, hurdled. Third one, reluctantly. Fourth one, irritation. Fifth one, mumbling. See, Roman number 2. Choose the correct option. Choose the correct option. First one, his mother made a futile attempt to get up. His mother made a futile attempt to get up. So here futile is underlined. 4 options are given. Option A, barren. And option B, limited. Option C, useless. Option D, empty. So futile means useless. Means option C is the correct answer. Second one, it is all tattered now. What word is underlined here? Tattered is underlined. What are the options given here? Option A, spoiled. Option B, old and torn. Option C, dirty. Option D, brand new. So tattered means old and torn. So here option B is the correct one. Then third one, there is a cold mist in the morning. Here mist is underlined. There is a cold mist in the morning. What are the options given here? Option A, ice. Option B, snow. Option C, fog. Option D, wind. So here mist means fog. Option C is the correct answer. Now let us see fourth one. Fourth one, it's just like a knotted yarn. It's just like a knotted yarn. What is underlined here? Knotted is underlined. Options are option A, very small. Option B, rounded tightly. Option C, joined. Option D, tied. So knotted, your contextual meaning is tied. So option D is correct one. Literary and contextual, same equal, tied. Fifth one, I can't make both ends meet with my salary. I can't make both ends meet with my salary. What is underlined here? Make both ends meet. So actually this is idiomatic expression. Now let us see options. Option A, earn a lot of money. Option B, spend a lot of money. Option C, earn just enough money. Option D, give all that one has. So to make both ends meet means earn just enough money. So option C is the correct one. Thank you children. All the best.